Okay, I realized this is open, but I was a little excited when I got it and I opened it right away. But I figured I would do an unboxing and show you what's inside this package that I have received. Yeah, let's open it up. There's clothes in here. Yes, I ordered clothes online. What kind of clothes? Oh, that's a TruSpec label. Some of you might be familiar with that brand. Get out of the bag. Alright, so some of you might be familiar with the TruSpec brand. As you can see, these are military fatigues and or tactical response uniform pant. It is time to get some new ones. These are black. In the past, I've typically gotten the dark navy because where I normally got them, they didn't stock the black ones. But I think what I'm gonna do from now on is order these online. Because I can get the ones I want, and they are a little pricier than like a proper brand fatigue. They are higher quality, a little bit more expensive, but they are totally worth it. My older ones, well, they've lasted for 6 or 7 years now, so I expect these will be the same. I will just say I do typically purchase, like, I wear jeans and stuff sometimes, but most of the time I wear military fatigues because I like that style. I also find that military fatigues, they fit well and they're comfortable and they're also functional. Like, you know, you can go into the wilderness with these things. You can. I mean, they're designed for military applications. So, like I said, I really like the military stuff because it is functional. I feel. It's funny. I say they're comfortable. Like I do enjoy wearing them, and they are comfortable for me. But it's not comfortable in the sense of like sweatpants or joggers or something like that. It's comfortable in the sense that there's a lot of room in the legs and all of that. So I'm gonna model these for you and show you what they're all about, and then at some point here I'm going to start adding patches to them because I want to decorate them a little bit, but that won't be today. That'll be another video for another time. So let's take a look at these. Got it way too fast. Not sure if you can see those, but I hope you can. I'll get a little bit closer. There's these. There's drawstrings on these, which is really cool. So if you want to keep them nice and closed and tight, that is the thing. There's actually an additional pocket in here. I don't know if you can see that, but additional pocket. Obviously the Velcro. I'm not, I prefer buttons, but typically with buttons, they're gonna eventually come off and you'll have to resew them on. So this is all right. I mean, you know, sometimes you'll find that stuff gets stuck in this, so you gotta like pull it out and stuff. But drawstring, yeah. And nice pants. I love these things. They are the color and the color and the exact size that I needed. I was a little worried when I initially ordered them that they might not be the right size, but they actually fit perfectly. So, and in the past I would have ordered something from, you know, not ordered, but gone into the local military surplus store, but I have found that that's the most popular military surplus store here in Calgary. Unfortunately, they've raised the prices on a lot of their stuff, and granted, and they've changed out a lot of their gear. Granted, most of the gear now in there is pretty high quality, but you know, if I don't have to pay an extra $25 on a pair of pants, I kind of don't want to. Like, I do realize I should probably be supporting the business, but I will be honest, they never have anything in my color anymore, and I always find going in there, it's like, you know, you kind of have to compromise, and I don't want to. So nowadays, ordering off the internet seems to be the way to go, at least for me, because I'm finding what I want. I got this off the internet, these pants, another shirt, fishnet tie style shirt, or whatever you want to call it, and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's it for this video. I thought I would just share the pants with you. I hope you could see them in the camera. Yeah, we will see you in the next video.